So for the first, we shall know each other, right? My name is Nurul and I'm from Yogyakarta State University. So what is your name?
My name is Dami.
Dami. Ah, okay. Where are you from?
I'm from Belanda, Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah.
Oh, it's so far.
It's really fun.
Yeah. Where are you choose Yogyakarta for your trip now?
I've been to Borobudur and Prambanan.
Ah, what do you like about this place and how long you have been in Yogyakarta?
I've been in Yogyakarta for 2 days now,
2 days now.
and I like the city. There's really the nice buildings, the museum,
Yes.
and yeah, Borobudur and Prambanan was good.
Okay. What do you like about this place? No. So, what's your favorite place in Yogyakarta?
In Yogyakarta, I've been to the water palace.
Water palace?
Yeah, you know? The
I don't know.
water castle.
Water castle.
Yeah, it was beautiful.
Oh, in
Like,
Taman Sari.
Yeah, over there.
Okay.
Yeah.
In Yogyakarta, have you tried traditional food in here?
I'm not sure if the traditional, but Indonesian food, yes. Nasi goreng and
Nasi goreng.
Yeah.
Do you try gudeg?
yeah, I had it before.
Do you like it?
With brown egg. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, it was good.
It's good. What is your culture shock in here and why?
Not really a culture shock. There are many cars and many motorbikes.
Oh yes.
Very busy, but not really a culture shock for me.
Okay. So if I want to visit your country, what place should I visit if I come here?
Many people that go to the Netherlands,
Yes.
they are visiting like Amsterdam,
Amsterdam,
yeah, The Hague,
The Hague,
yeah, and Giethoorn.
Houston. So what kind of place there?
Giethoorn is like a place with canals, and
Canals,
with you can go by boat.
boat. Oh,
there.
it's really fun.
Yeah, it's a cool place.
And what food should I try there?
We have like a traditional food. It's called stampot.
Stamppot. What
So
is
it's
it?
like potatoes, but
Potato?
like mashed,
Mashed
and
potato.
with some kind of vegetable in it.
Vegetable. Oh, it's. I think it's delicious.
Very different from here.
Very different. Ah, okay. What do you like? No. Do you speak any Indonesian or other local language?
Only terima kasih,
Terima kasih.
and I know Belanda, and I know some words the same from the Netherlands and here.
Oh yeah.
So you have handdoek,
Handuk.
asbak.
Stowel. Oh yeah.
Yeah. So I know some, not so much.
Okay. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
Free time, I like to go to the gym.
Gym?
Yeah, and I like to watch YouTube and Netflix.
So do you like doing sport?
Yeah, fitness.
Okay. Have you traveled to other country?
Many, yes.
And
Been
where?
to Mexico,
Mexico.
Guatemala, Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, Malaysia,
Ooh.
and many countries in Europe like Spain, France, Italy, Switzerland. Yeah.
So many.
So many.
So you like traveling?
Yeah.
What is your impression of the people here?
Very kind.
Very-
Yeah, very friendly people. Yeah. Good.
Can you share any travel tips or advice for someone visiting Indonesia?
Visiting Indonesia. Download Grab.
That's right.
And eat local food. Yeah.
Local food, okay. Do you have any memorable travel story or experience in here?
In here.
Yeah. Or in
Um,
another country? So,
last week in Bandung, I drove to Kawaputi.
Kawaputi.
Yeah.
Wow.
There was not any tours going, so I rented a motorbike and drove myself.
Oh.
But it was chaotic.
Oh.
With, many traffic. Yeah.
Is this really your first experience to drive motorbike
Not my first, but first time in
in
Java.
Indonesia? Okay.
Yeah.
It's really good. What's your favorite Indonesian souvenir? Have you had by before?
Like the painting, the batik painting.
Batik painting?
Yeah, with the wax. And
Wax? Also
You
like
know?
it, batik kit.
yeah, right.
Okay. So yeah, that's all the interview. Thank you for doing interview with me.
No worries, you're welcome.
Huh? So this video where I want to upload in YouTube. Are you okay with it?
Yeah, sure, it's fine.
Okay. Can we take a picture together?
Sure.
Photo.